do have to go.
Hi, Jalen. Hey. What are you doing? You're getting fed. Hi. Ooh, you got big eyes. What big eyes you have. Ooh, that's good food.
I mean, we could go to Kmart tomorrow, but
Whose little hands are feeding you?
But they just seem. It always seems to be more expensive than Walmart.
Juliana?
Doesn't it?
Okay, feed Jalen again.
The toys seem to be more expensive than Kmart, I think. Alyssa's too young for beach toys, right?
There you go.
No. Maybe a bucket. Okay.
You gonna feed her any more, Juliana?
That'd be a cheap thing for Lena to give her.
I heard some knocking.
Are you eating that or is Jalen eating it?
I mix it up.
You mixing it up? Yeah. Oh, that's enough.
Alright, Juliana. Make sure you give her a little bite. Okay.
Yeah!
Wow, she really liked that one.